Okay, let's create some fences. We're on a plateau or field of some sort, and let me first show you something which does not work, but it might seem like a solution if you first consider it. I made an object, and then I'm browsing, and I notice fence. There's a fence. So let's use that. We'll grab that, and we'll put several of these objects in a row because we want a long fence. We'll save, load, edit. Here's our fence. Now from a distance that sort of looks like a fence, but if you get up close you'll see what's happening. The sprite turns to face us as we walk around. Thus, objects will not work for making a fence. What you want to do is go back into the editor. Let's delete those. What you want to do is you want to use a wall. So let's create an Rbox. Change its effect to Rbox. We'll leave the height at 256. And we want the ceiling texture to be no name, and we want the floor texture to be no name. So we'll go over to wall, and let's make a wall. This will be the back of our fence, and then we'll do our front of our fence. Let's back up though. We have to change this to 1, which is our new domain. That carries the 1 forward. Now this one we're going to make fence 12. See how that works. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Well, first of all, it's too tall because that texture is 128. The wall is too tall for the texture. So let's change this. Go to domain. Let's make that 128. See if that works. Okay, it's got the right height. But why is the wall black? Well, we need to make the wall masked. That will tell the engine to convert black 000, which means RGB of 000, convert that to transparent. So here's our wall. Only one problem. When we go around the back, it doesn't show. Now this is a byproduct of how textures work with their sidedness. It's a OpenGL situation. So to get around this, it's very simple. We just put a fence on the other side, and we'll move these closer together. Now we have a nice fence that looks good from both sides. This was done using a BMP texture and an Rbox. It's a skinny little Rbox, but it works great.